back again. Today we're going to do some fabrication. It is tackle the clearing issue that's associated with the B series engine into the EF chassis. The crank pulley hits the frame rail, so we're going to create some clearance there. It's going to be some metal cutting, chops, and some welding. So stay tuned, like what you see, and if we earned it, hit that like button. If you really want to keep on following us, hit that subscribe button and the notification button and the YouTube buttons. There's so many buttons. Hit them all, you know, but only if you're under it. So here's our episode. Enjoy it. Getting some clearance right here. So I'm going to cut this out, recess it 1/2 inch, and weld it back in. That way I can clear. See this? It just beat the shit out of it to create the clearance. What I want to be doing first is I'm gonna hit this the surrounding areas where I'm gonna be cutting with this wire wheel, and that's to get the paint off, so that way I have a clean surface to weld to after I finish cutting. Okay, next step is to drill out all these spot welds, so that when I cut the section out, I can just pull it out. All drilled out, time to cut out our section. So here's a piece where I cut out. So I try to keep it all as one piece because I'm going to use this as my template. So after you cut this, all this has to get re-welded. So you just re-weld all this and it makes it all one unit. So after I weld all this, I'll grind it back down so I have a nice flat surface. But what that ends up, that gives me my integrity back, and once I weld this guy back in, this all becomes one unit, so it's actually gonna be stronger than when it was before. So here we have our template, right? So now I am gonna bend in a little bit, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna trace them out and then add probably 3/4 of an inch to each corner and give me room to bend. angle set right here, angle finder. I'm gonna say right there. So I'm gonna cinch my guys down. Made up. I want to see how what modifications I need to get this to work. It's a little long. I wanted it to be that way. Obviously I got some trimming to do. That seems to be pretty fucking happy. Right. So I got this guy all made up. Well, kind of started anyways. And I cut this guy a little bit further, ground him down. I need to bend this guy down a little bit right now because he's interfering. Well, one, I want to bend him down so I can weld it all together. And two, because he's interfering. It won't let me recess it right now. So off we go to beating that metal down. Made up, slanting down a little bit, that's why you have that big gap at the top, but once I pick it up, I'll let it in right now.